Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and I am at Lock 12 in York County, atop the lime kilns. It is early April. It has been rainy, and I am looking out at a surging Susquehanna River. We're gonna take a walk, look for a favorite waterfall of mine, and see how the rain has affected it. Let's go. So this is Lancaster Run, heading down towards the Susquehanna River. Today is April 4th. It has been wet. It has rained for almost a week straight. There was a day this week where it rained 2 inches. It doesn't seem like there's any end in sight. It was misting just a little while ago. It wasn't even supposed to rain today. Today was supposed to be the end. But it was still misting. It's going to later in the day as well. Last night was the absolute most ridiculous. We were trying to have lacrosse practice, and it was sunny when we started, and then these clouds rolled in. My wife gave me a heads up that a storm was coming, and within 10 minutes it dropped 10 degrees. There was thunder, there was hail, the longest hail I've ever seen. It was laying on the ground. It hailed for 20 minutes at least. It laid on the field. There was lightning. We crammed 24 kids into about 6 cars. I had 6 kids plus me in the escape. It was absolutely ridiculous. Water down here along the Susquehanna should be surging. We're gonna go to Mill Creek Falls. We've been there before. It's beautiful. I believe the last time I was here at Lock 12, it was dry, but it is actually filling with water. There's a little waterfall way down there at the end. We're gonna go check that out. But this is the historic Lock 12, part of the canal system down here. We've been here before. I will link that video above, of course. Yeah, last time I just kind of dry walked right across here. And you can go up on the lock up top there. I'll head up on this side, see what's up. So lock number 12 here was part of the Susquehanna and Tidewater Canal, which parallel to Susquehanna River here. Covered 45 miles between Wrightsville, Pennsylvania to the north, and Havre de Grace, Maryland, where we've been also. I'll link that above. To the south. It was built in the 1830s. It opened in 1840. It carried lumber, coal, iron, grain, all bound for Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York. The canal was abandoned in 1895. It is 17 feet wide, 170 feet long, and it had a lift capability of 8.8 feet. This is one of 28 lift locks here between Wrightsville and Havre de Grace. So just north of the Norman Wood Bridge, we've come down to the Susquehanna. And to quote George Costanza, the sea was angry today, my friends. Look at this. Waves pounding. We're just south of Holtwood Dam up there, and it is absolutely overflowing. I've heard it compared to Niagara Falls this week with the water spilling over. So gotta be real careful down here that the water doesn't suddenly rise. I hope that has not a bad story associated with it, but yeah, we're on this rock here. You can see all the flotsam jetsam wash down the river here. And we're gonna go back up to the Mason-Dixon Trail and continue. Definitely got to keep the ears open here south of Holdwood Dam during these times. Now we've reached beautiful Mill Creek. Again, flowing very well. Got a little waterfall in here under the bridge. That's River Road crossing. There's another lock up here that we'll go check out, and then we'll walk back that way to the big waterfall. It is springtime and there are Mayapples all over the place. These will get a little fruit on them and become much bigger. These are probably about 5 inches across. They can get up to a foot wide. So they're coming up all over the place. Oh, that's some, if I'm not mistaken, Dutchman's breeches right here. Kind of look like upside down pants, thus the name breeches. So they're kind of growing off the side of the trail here. So this structure here, I would say not a lock. It has an end down there that's stone end here. There's another wall over here. So thinking this was some sort of a building right here. One more look at the ruins here, possibly a lock tender's house or something. Walk north on River Road here just to see all that water coming over Holdwood Dam. It's about as much flow as I've ever seen here. Mill Creek Falls, this is spectacular. This is definitely the most flow I've ever seen here, way more than last time. Last time I was walking on the rocks like down close to the falls. There's no way I'm going down there today. It's cold and slippery. Absolutely awesome. Whenever I'd been here before, I didn't realize there were ruins of a sawmill here on Anderson Run. Sawmill had a holding pond and a sluiceway. The water released would turn the wheel to a reciprocating saw that would go up and down and cut hemlock, poplar, and hardwoods. It was sold locally or shipped downriver via the canal. Alright, so a little bonus action here. We are back at Toby Run, and boy is it flowing. I've got the rope like before. I'm gonna go down. I actually have waders today, and it looks like I'm gonna need it. Right, so here's Toby Run flowing super hard. I was walking out there before and honestly walking all the way into the cave. I don't think it's happening today. I thought just the back section would be, you know, a pool and you'd be able to walk back to there. I don't think I'm going to be able to get anywhere near that today. All right, so I did get to the mouth of the cave. None of this was really super wet last time, and I could easily get up to there. The falls in the back, you can see, absolutely gushing. Ah, it looks amazing. I don't think I'm going to be able to get in there though. Alright, first test of the waders, I think they're okay. Oh, it's amazing. So cool. I just don't think I'll be able to get up this. This is where all the force is coming over. I'm starting to feel it down here. I still think I'll be able to get up there. Yeah, I'm by myself. I gotta be safe here. Oh my god, look at that back there though. That was a trickle the last time we were here. Kind of wondering if I could go up Old Holtwood Road a little bit more to the backside and see about coming down, or up on top of this, honestly. Might check that out. I'd hate to get flushed down there. I was right, a little farther up Holtwood Road, you can hop the guardrail and see where the waterfall enters the cave. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I was hoping for the good flow today. Got a little too much. Oh man, over the next week or so, it's gonna start drying out, so might become a little more manageable down the road a little bit, but still spectacular looking. All right, so that's always a cool thing to do. I really thought I'd be able to get like into the cave and back to that back pool, but that first waterfall, which I've never encountered before because it wasn't flowing that bad, boy, that was a lot. And there was a lot of force coming off of there. I did kind of stick my leg in, just kind of walk close to it. It's like I didn't trust myself on the slippery rocks there to get up there. So yeah, maybe a couple more days, maybe we'll settle down a little bit, maybe we'll be back. But hey, thanks for watching today. It's been a rainy week. I had to get out and I wanted to find some cool stuff for us to see today, so hopefully we did. Thanks for coming out. Please like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. We will absolutely see you next time.